Welcome to Campsite RV, Cresco, Iowa. Thank you for making this year's spring open house the best ever. It was a phenomenal day with a record-breaking attendance. Thank you, RV customers, for allowing Campsite RV to service all your RV needs. We realize the importance of having loyal customers. That's why we offer you an award-winning lineup of travel trailers, fifth wheels, toy haulers, truck campers, and Class C motorhomes, backed by the best people and best service. At Campsite RV, our best foot is always forward, with you, the customer, in mind. We realize what a big part you, your friends, and your neighbors are in our growth and success. Due to the overabundance of RV customers attending our spring open house, to show our appreciation, we have extended our Kick Off the Camping Season specials throughout the entire month of April. Our sales lot is stocked and ready to rock. We have over 300 new and pre-owned RVs, all with huge discounts. Check out the latest and greatest 2019 floor plans. We have a camper to fit every family's budget. Discover the power of confidence with our service, selection, and savings. Stop by today or visit us on the web 24/7 at campsiterv.com. Kick off the camping season specials now through the end of April. Take advantage of these unbelievable deals. Thank you from everyone at Campsite RV and wish you nothing but the best this upcoming camping season. Campsite RV, Highway 9 West, Cresco. Your relaxation starts here.